Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect from your phone. You can check it at the settings, so if you have Apple device, you will see that it's not connected, and if you have Android device, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect automatically with your phone. With this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!